Good morning, students. This is Priyanka Bansal from SKM Public School. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 18 of GK. Okay, and chapter name is Don't Stop the Music. Okay, today we will discuss about the some concepts related to music, and then we will solve the that activity part, or we can say that the question answer part of this chapter. Okay, so Indian classical music has a long, broad, and the deep history. This we know very well, that Indian classical music is very is having a very broad and the deep history. So let's learn about some integral elements of its origin, evolution, and styles. Okay, so today we will discuss about its origin, evolution, and styles of the Indian classical music. Some of the earliest texts, like the Samved from the 1000 before Christ, are entirely set to music and include the swar octave. They are to be sung in the Gayatri Mantra. Is an example of this. Okay, so as you know that in the morning prayer only, always we are singing the Gayatri Mantra, and this is the Indian classical music, and this is the we know that it is include in स्वर. ओके, मतलब इसको हम स्वर में गाते हैं, एंड गायत्री मंत्र इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस, एंड यू आर वेरी नोन टू गायत्री मंत्र. Two types of music traditions emerged in ancient India. There are two types of music tradition: formal ceremonial and music called Gandharv, and the informal entertainment music is called Gana. Okay, there are two forms of music traditions, Gandharv and Gana. Okay, first and second. The Sangeetkarana is the first book wholly devoted to music. Okay, which book? Sangeet Rana Kara. Okay, it is the first book which is wholly devoted to the music. It provides details of the components of Indian classical music, including tal, rag, and swar. Okay, in this book that detailed information regarding the Indian classical music is given, and it includes the information about the tal, rag, and swar. Okay, so Indian classical music started to develop distinct sounds by the 15th century. It resulted in two styles, मतलब इसके अंदर कुछ वेरिएशंस आने लगी फ्रॉम द 15th century, और इसको टू स्टाइल्स के अंदर डिफ्रेंशिएट किया गया. हिंदुस्तानी स्टाइल प्रैक्टिसाइज्ड इन नॉर्थ इंडिया, एंड द कर्नाटिक स्टाइल प्रैक्टिसाइज्ड इन साउथ इंडिया. ओके, so there are two forms. After the 15th century, we can say that Hindustani style, which is in the North India, and Carnatic style, which is practiced in South India. The basic elements of swar, rag, and the tal are common to both Carnatic or Hindustani music. Okay, the basic elements, there is no that variation was made in the swar, rag, and tal. It is common in both types of music. Okay, Thumri is a style of Hindustani music. It derives its name from the Hindi verb thumkana. Okay, Thumri is derived from thumkana, and the thumkana means an attractive style of movement. Usually we use this word thumkana, and from the thumkana only Thumri is generated. Therefore, Thumri literally means having an attractive or sensuous gant of melody and rhyme or rhythm, we can say. Okay, so next form is related to Qawwali. See here in the picture, it is the form of Qawwali, and Qawwali, a form of Sufi devotional music. It is a form of Sufi devotional music, is a fusion of Persian, Turkish, and the Hindustani music traditions, and the Qawwali in today's form was developed by Amir Khusro. The Qawwali, which is sung in today's word, or we can say in the today's form in which we sung the Qawwali, is developed by the Amir Khusro. Nazm is a poetry on one single theme and thought. and this is related to nazm. Okay, earlier we had discussed qawwali, now it is related to nazm. It is a poetry on one single theme or thought, मतलब एक single theme को लेके जो poetry या thought develop की जाती है. A ghazal has 4 to 5 stanzas and each stanza is complete by itself. मतलब क्या है कि जो गज़ल है it is sung और created in 4 to 5 stanzas and each stanza is complete by itself, means उसी के अंदर ही उसका complete meaning निकल के आ जाता है. Ravindra Sangeet was originated in West Bengal, refers to songs written and composed by Ravindranath Tagore, and it is influenced by the Thumri style of Hindustani music. Okay, it is influenced means Ravindra Sangeet is influenced by the Thumri style of Hindustani music, and it has over 2000 compositions. Okay, in this how many compositions are there? 2000 compositions. नेक्स्ट इज ए टिपिकल राग परफॉर्मेंस स्टार्ट्स ऑन ए काम नोट, मतलब जब राग को स्टार्ट किया जाता है काम नोट के ऊपर स्टार्ट किया जाता है. द ओपनिंग सेक्शन इज नोन एज द अलाप, मतलब पहले अलाप किया जाता है विच हेल्प्स टू सेट द मूड, मीन्स कि एक पर्सन रेडी हो जाए म्यूज़िक और मतलब सॉन्ग को गाने के लिए, राग को परफॉर्म करने के लिए. इन हिंदुस्तानी म्यूजिक द राग सिस्टम इज बेस्ड ऑन द 10 थाट्स, वेयर एज द कैनेटिक म्यूजिक इज music the rag system is based on 72 melkartha equivalent to thoughts. Okay, so this is the difference between the that about the rag system, which is based on 10 thoughts in carnatic music and 72 melkartha equivalents to thoughts. Okay, so this was the that theoretical part of this chapter, in which we have discussed about the that Gayatri mantra. Okay, that which is sung in rag, and that we have discussed about the two types of that music traditions, that Gandharva and Gana. Okay, then we have discussed about the first book, that Sangeet Ranakara, which is including the full information regarding the rag, tal and swar, and then we have discussed the Indian classical music, different styles, that Hindustani style and the Carnatic style. So this chapter is that very, we can say, interesting, and the person and the students who are interested in music, they can learn from this chapter many things about the Indian music history. Okay, so now we will do the question answer part of this chapter. So there is a part 1. Identify these unusual musical instruments from around the world. Pick up your answers from the help box. See, there is a help box given to us, and we have to fill the unusual musical instruments which is around the world. Okay, first is widely used in American music. This percussion instrument is made from a hollow dried gourd, open at both ends with small grooves cut into its sides. See, this is the picture of this. This section is played by rubbing a stick against the sides of a produced sound. Okay, so see, this is the that music instrument, and the answer is the gyro. Okay, you can take the help of the help box also, gyro. Next is meaning 3 strings in Japanese. This traditional instrument has a square shaped body and a long neck. The instrument is used to play music on puppet plays, folk songs, ceremonial dances. The strings are plucked with a bachi. Then see, this is the picture, that square shape, then long neck, and this is the shamisen. Okay, the answer is shamisen, and the name of this instrument is shamisen. Next is originating in Africa around 3000 years ago. This instrument has a wooden box with metal tines that are plucked with the thumbs to produce a delicate sound. Okay, see, this is the picture of this instrument, जो wooden box की तरह है, and इसके अंदर ये plugged है ये, and this name of this instrument is mabira. Okay, next is also known as rumba shakers. This percussion instrument is a pair or hollowed wooden rattles, often filled with beans and pebbles, that are shaken to produce sound. They are popular in Latin America, South America, and the Caribbean. Okay, so see, Rumba shakers. The name of this instrument is Rumba shakers, and answer is maracas. Okay, the answer is maracas. This instrument name is maracas, and this is popular in Latin America and South America. So now we will discuss the B part of this section. The Grammy Awards are held every year to recognize accomplishments in music. Okay, which award is given? Grammy Award. Choose the correct options to answer these questions on the Grammy Awards. In which year was the first Grammy Awards held? Okay, this question is related to the history of awards. That in which year first Grammy Award was held? And the answer is 1959. Second is, when was the word music category introduced at the Grammy? Okay, when was the word music category was introduced? Then the answer is in 1992. Next is, who is the youngest artist to win album of the year at the age of 20? Who is the youngest? Then that is Taylor Swift. Okay. Next is, which artist has been nominated a record 17 times without ever winning? मतलब एक ऐसा आर्टिस्ट कौन है कि जो हर बार नॉमिनेट होता है, मीन्स ही इज नॉमिनेटेड फॉर विनिंग द प्राइज फॉर द 17 टाइम्स बट नेवर विन दैट प्राइज. दैट इज ब्रियन नाइट. ओके. Who was the first Indian to win a Grammy Award for his performance titled East Meets West? Okay, this was the title of the performance, East Meets West. And who is the first Indian to win this award? That is, the answer is Ravi Shankar. Okay, Ravi Shankar won the Grammy Award for the East Meets West. So students, see, I am showing you the help box of part A and answers of part B. Complete this workbook in your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.